Hey guys, this is Funny Cats, Funny Kittens, part 2. Hey Mom.
Hey Oz.
You gotta say, hey Jeff Hardy fan.
Hey Jeff Hardy fan.
This is Twinkie, and this is Skittles, playing like a poop. Ow! Attack my foot? Look at Twinkie. She's gonna bounce.
Ow. Honey. What are you going for? Not my pant leg?
Look at her. Oh! Oh, we might see a wrestling match. That'd be cool to get on video. I was going like this. 2. Ooh. And Skittles misses. They like the broom. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, oh! Oh, we're gonna see a wrestling match. We're seeing it. We're gonna see it. Oh. So close to seeing a wrestling match. What are you doing? You playing with my foot? You little poop?
What are you doing? Yeah. You. Yeah, you.
Oof. I'd love to see a wrestling match. Come on.
Did you pick up all the food off your floor?
Yes, Mom. Ah, baby. Hey, yous. There's Skittles and Mama. I gotta close off this. Mom likes to get in the closet. Thanks for watching this video.